Envious means feeling unhappy because someone else has something you want. It is the feeling of wanting what another person has. In simple words, envious equals feeling jealous of others. Easy explanation. When a person is envious, they look at others and think, I wish I had that. People can feel envious about success, money, skills, looks, possessions. Very easy examples with explanation. He felt envious of his friend's new bike. He wanted the bike. She was envious of her classmates' marks. She wished she had the same marks. More simple example sentences. I am envious of her talent. He became envious after seeing the prize. Do not be envious of others. Daily life examples. Students may feel envious of toppers. People feel envious on social media. Envy can cause sadness and anger. Student sentence. I felt envious when my friend won the race. Easy memory trick. Envious equals want what others have.